Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video with me on how to do the steganography using MATLAB. So in this video, you will be using MATLAB to solve the steganography problem. So let us have a idea about what is the steganography and how it works. Then we are going for these things. Now let us see. The steganography is the art of communicating in a way which hides the existence of secret message communication. The meaning is that some secret message or some messages we want to communicate secretly so that others cannot easily read it. You get it? That is the main thing. That means we can use it a picture, you can use it a video or anything. There some secret message we can send it. So usually the other person they cannot say or they cannot understand there is a secret message inside these images. For example, I select one image, the most traditional image we are using, the Lina image. So in this Lina image I want to hide some messages. So to whom I am sending, he can check and he can get that messages, right? So here you see it aims to hide information to be protected in another data known as the cover or carrier. So this cover, it can be the image or it can be also one video. So or we can also call it as the carrier. And data containing hidden messages are called the steganos or stegos. That means whatever the things it is covering this or it is containing these hidden messages, we call it as the steganos or the stegos. And steganos look like cover data and it is difficult to differentiate between them, right? So then that original image and use some messages, you cannot easily identify that one. So this steganography based communication over easily accessible platforms to prevent leakage of information. That is the main idea in this steganography. And here the main thing is that how to implement all the things using this MATLAB, that we are going to discuss in this today thing, right? Now let us go for this thing. Now you can see I am using this MATLAB R2019A. So you can use any versions. Even in the previous videos I have given you that online also you can access MATLAB. Here the version release is 2019A I am using. Even if 2022 is available, the recent versions. Now let us see these things. So you created the file name and my file name is something like that, hide1.m. So you can I told you that you go to the new and you can go to all the things you can do. You can go to the script, click the script and save it some file name. I have saved this hide1.m. Okay, M stand for this MATLAB extension, right? So now we have various commands. So suppose I want to clear all. Clear all means I want to clear the existing workspace. Where is the workspace? If you see the entire screen it here, this is the workspace. What you are working, everything is stored here. Okay, so this is the workspace. Already it is existing all things I want to clear. So that is the command clear space all and semicolon. Then if you want to clear the command window, where is the command window? We can see the command window, whatever you are writing, the commands you are writing. So all the things is there, you can clear it there, right? Then if you want to clear the command window, you have to write CLC or the clear screen semicolon. Then now I am to read the input image. What is the meaning of that one? Some image I have to keep it. You can download any image. I have downloaded the image, that is lina1.bmp file. Okay, lina1.bmp file. Where I put it? I put it inside the folder PhD Scholar, that is under the desktop of my system Dr. Gunamani Jana and user C, right? So C drive users Dr. Gunamani Jana on the desktop, that is the folder name PhD Scholar, lina1.bmp. This is the file I kept it there. So what you do? So to read that file I have to use the command imread. What is the command? Imread. Okay, so I am read. So what is the file you want to put it here? Put it in the single quotation, that is the path name, you put it there and put a semicolon. So all the things you save it with C. That means whatever the file you read, that is stored in C, right? Now I want to embed some message in that one. What is the image? Image you can see, you can the Lina image you can see it here. I think this is the photography model we are taking it here, that there is no need to tell the history and geography of those people. So only the thing is that I have taken the image is available online, you can download, anybody can download. So color image I have taken. So now I want to embed some message. What is the message I want to give it here? So I write welcome to BBC Engineering College, because now I am in BBC Engineering College or I am from BBC Engineering College AP India. So my message is welcome to BBC Engineering College. Okay, at the end you can put a semicolon. It doesn't make any difference to you. Write it semicolon at the end. Okay, so put a semicolon. I don't have any issue. Okay, fine. Now what you did it? This message what you did is stored with the variable message. What is the variable name? Message. So in the message what is stored? Welcome to BBC Engineering College. Now what I need to do? There will be some leading and trailing white spaces. Say because before welcome there can be some spaces, and after the colleges there can be some spaces. These are called the leading and trailing white spaces. To remove that one, what you do? Though I use the command strtrim. What is that? Strtrim. So strtrim is the command I apply to what? This message. So what is the leading and trailing white spaces are the little in between? What is that? I don't want to remove. Okay, and that I put it and I save it under this messages. You can write new message. I have written the same message. Original message is this one, and after removing the trailing and leading white spaces, that also put in the same thing. Okay, now what I do? Now length of the messages I want to convert into 8 bits. Then what I do? So that is the length of this message into 8. I convert to 8 bit and I store it with a variable that is m. You get it now? So length of this message into 8, it is converted to 8 bit and that is stored in the file in the variable m. Get it now? Now suppose I want to get the ASCII value. What is the ASCII value? Suppose a is equal to 65, b is equal to 66, like this is called the ASCII value. So whatever the message I have given, that I want to convert to the ASCII value. Then what do we do? So I write it unit 8. That means each character is converted to 8-bit ASCII value. Okay. So then what I write? So unit 8 of this message, that is saved as ASCII code. You get it now? Now suppose I want to convert into the binary string. Then what do you do? Transpose decimal to binary of this ASCII code comma 8. Then you put it in the binary string. Are you getting now? This is easy. These are the commands available in the MATLAB. So you know a little bit of this MATLAB. You can understand all the things. Then this binary string, all the things is stored in the binary string. Now let us n be the length of this binary string and b is equal to zeros of this n number of rows that I am converting to a vector. You know, vector it can be n rows 1 column or 1 row n number of columns. So it is n by 1 or 1 by n, it can be there. Now b it is converted to a vector, that whatever things I have given, so that is converted to a vector. Now for k is equal to 1 to n, if binary string k is equal to 1, then put bk is equal to 1, else you put bk is equal to 0. Right, that is the binary key I am talking about. Okay, so now what it happens then end it here. For I started this for program here and I ended it here. Now I put this C. What is the C? C, whatever the things I put it here, I put it under this C. You see it here. See the whatever the images you studied here, that you put it in C. You got it now? So now what I do? Suppose S is equal to C. I put it there. Now I want to find what is the height and width. Height is equal to size C is equal to 1 and width is equal to size C is equal to 2. Write that. Now what I do? Now I want to include all this message there. For write k is equal to 1, for I is equal to 1 is to height, and for j is equal to 1 is to width. So I want to include in the LSB. You know, when you are writing something from the right hand side, this is the LSB, okay, and the left hand side is the MSB, right? These are the things you know. Now LSB is equal to mod of double of C of I comma j2, and here k greater than m. Then here I have written or LSB. So this is the coding I have written. If LSB is equal to 1, then S of ij, which is equal to C ij minus 1, else you can put it plus 1, right? So all the things I have given. Then what I do at the end, imwrite S is the hidden image dot bmp. That means initially I have taken the image name is lina1 dot bmp. Now after writing this message or after hiding this message to this lina dot bmp, so it is creating a new one, that is hidden message image dot bmp. Okay, then where it is stored, that is written to S. So S is the file where it is stored, S is the variable where it is stored, then info S. Is it clear? Now what it will do? Now you forget about, we already run it before that, that's why showing. I am running it again, running this program. If you run this program, yeah, it is run, and you can see it here, it has cleared everything. Again it has rewritten. So what is the command? Yeah, you can check it here. It's still running, I think. Okay, no, same thing it will learn. So it is clearing and showing, is running. Now what you can see, now the image, this is the image where it is stored here, that is the hidden message image.bmp. All your text is already written it here. All your text is written here. That is the messages we want to communicate. It is already written there. And what is the things you want to put it here? If you see that one. Okay, so it's already the binary form of this, nothing to worry about all the things. ASCII code M, what is the message? The message, what is that? Is already showing it here. You can see it here. Yeah, it is showing it here. Welcome to BBC Engineering College. That is the message I have already given. Right. So this is the exact execution of this program. Okay. Fine. And I hope you have already seen it. I think there is no issue on that one. Right. So this is all about how to hide some messages, secret message inside the thing, and you can see whatever the message you have given, that message is already appearing here. If you can see it here, welcome to BBC Engineering College, it is coming here. I think you can expand it here. You can see I have given the message, welcome to BBC Engineering College. That is the message what I stored there, and this is the image that is, you can see hidden image BMP, all things is there, right? So this is, if you are interested, you can have this image here also separately, and you can see the text also what is written there, that also you can see it here. So okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share with your friends, and if you have any comments or queries, please do free to send either SMS or mail in my email ID. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Take care of your health. Thank you. Goodbye.